Okay, so this is video number 7 where we try to where we do all the NeetCode 150. Um, and today we're gonna solve product of array except self. So let's read it real quick. Given an integer array nums, return an array output where output I is the product of all the elements of nums except nums I. So basically, let's take an example here. We have nums, and so we have a result array. So basically 48 is the product of all of these three numbers. 24 is product of this one, and 4 and 6 here. 12 is, you get the point. It's just 6 into and these two numbers. Um, by the way, um, Messi won yesterday's game. Argentina won yesterday's game against England. Messi is in another final. It's such a good time to be a Barcelona fan right now. Messi and Lamine, it's just like I haven't slept in so long, and it's like again it's 1:30. I'm just so tired. I want to finish this and go to bed. But yeah, I'm so fucking happy right now. I'm actually fucking balling. Um, so we're gonna do this real quick. So basically we're gonna do two passes, a left to right and then a right to left. And we're gonna try to uh yeah, multiply while going from left to right and then from right to left, so we cover all the numbers. Um, I'm just gonna use this example to explain how we're gonna do this. So while going from left to right, if you're in the first position, we're just gonna go ahead. Um, let me initialize a result array, and then we're gonna have a result array and just gonna have it the length of the nums array. And so in first position, we're just gonna move past it, go to the next position, then we're gonna multiply the first position in nums and first position in result and just replace it right here. So it was 1, so it just got replaced as 1. But now when we go to the next, 2 into 1, we have 2 here, right? And because this position already contains the multiplication of this and this, like, so we have even this coming into this, like, so if we go to the next position, we multiply 4 into 2, and 2 already contains this number and this number, so it's going to be 8. And then we are done with the left to right pass. Now we go from right to left, and again first position we're just going to ignore. And now because uh, we have a lot the numbers in place already, we are going to use a variable here called right and just declare it as 1. And we're going to ignore the first position from going from right to left. And then when we go to the next position, before we go to the next position, we can update right with by multiplying it with the with 6 here. So like whatever nums I was at that point, and then we go to the next position, we multiply right with this position, so it's gonna become 12. Then we're gonna update right with by multiplying it by 4, so it's gonna be 24. And so 24 into 1, shit, 24 into 1 is 24. I'm gonna update the right. We multiplied 24 with 2, So got updated. Then 48 into 1, 48. And yeah, we have the answer. So pretty neat. If you don't understand these patterns right now, just just memorize them at this point, because like even the LeetCode guy keeps saying like there's a sweet spot between memorization and learning. Like after a point of memorization, you start understanding things better. Like how we learned ABCD and then we started drawing meaning later when we understood what it meant, um, like forming sentences, making complex. Yeah, the complexity just develops. You gotta start somewhere, I guess. Um, so let's start with initializing a result array here, right here. I'm gonna call it, yeah, res, and it's gonna be the same length as nums array. Then we're gonna do two for loops for I in the range of length of nums. If I is equal to 0, so like if we are in the first position, we're just gonna continue right here. And if you're not in the first position, then we're gonna have our result I be replaced, right? Because like, okay, I'm just gonna have something in front of us. Um, yeah, so we got past the first position, we are in the second position, and now we want to multiply this one with the nums one. Yeah, with the nums one. So result I minus 1 into nums I minus 1, right? And this is basically it. Like this contains everything. This will go on. It will keep doing this till we reach the end of the array. And then we'll go from right to left now. So we're gonna declare a variable, like I said, we'll call it right. Another for loop for I in the range of length nums minus 1, comma 1, comma 1, because we're gonna go backwards and we're starting from the back. Um, and okay, so if okay, so where was I? So we are right here. If we go in this position, we're just gonna skip that as well. So if yeah, so how the way we skip this is like we don't have to write like continue or something like this right here, right? We just have to, yeah, multiply it with right because right is already 1. So we're just gonna have result I, um, and then we're gonna update right with the nums. So nums I before we move forward. So let's draw this out actually. So we are on the other end of it, and we are on 6 now. Okay, so we're gonna update 6 with just multiplying it with right, which is 1, and then we update right to 6. Oh no, we update, yeah, to 6. We move to the next position, and then we have 6 into that, whatever. Okay, I think this is gonna confuse you guys more. So, because I didn't replace those ones. It should have been 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 8. So like, yeah, 8 is gonna just stay like that, and then 2 will become 12, right? So we have, so I think this is it. We're gonna return the result, and then done. Oh shit, 38, 72. What did I get wrong? Okay, so we're done. It was pretty easy.